Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at the Ello ceramic mug. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, so I have this new mug from Ello, just to show you that I'm not trying to do like an English accent or something, but this is a ceramic mug, which is pretty cool. I've never actually had a tall ceramic mug like this before. Obviously, you know, you have your regular coffee cups with the handles and everything, but I just figured I wanted to try something like this. This is Bpa-Free. It's got this rubber casing around it to keep things, you know, not too hot and not too cold, so you can hold on to it. Actually 16 ounces. It is, let me give you dimensions, it is about 7.5 inches tall, approximately 3 inches across. It's got a really good weight to it. You could smash it over somebody's head if you needed to. What else? Oh yeah, the inside part, it's kind of narrow. So it's tall, but it's narrow. So you're not going to be able to clean it by sticking your hand down in there. You're going to need like a water bottle cleaner or something like that, or a bottle washer. But it, you know, 16 ounces is a lot less than your regular like big metal cups that you usually see. But you know, what I like about this is that it doesn't have that metallic taste. BPA-free, good weight. Definitely something for, you know, that's definitely something that you should consider. 15 bucks, you can't lose. I'm not a fan of the plastic stuff. So that's it. If you have any other questions, post it down below. Otherwise, y'all have a great day.